back here on Tim's Hornet. We're working on some calibration. Just got her going. She cold starts pretty good, so I increase the enrichment just a little bit. So we'll see what we get. Alright, next step, we're going to let her get up to temp, and then we're going to try to adjust that idle. Because remember last time I couldn't get it to adjust enough, so I need to use connection air.
Yeah, that's what I think that's what they getting. It just won't stay.
And it was working a second ago.
Yeah, that's what they kept having. It can't get it to stay. And then Edelbrock wouldn't support this. I mean, I dropped, $2,500 or $2,800, and they just won't support it. So.
Oh, there we go. Now we're connected. You see the engine's got the green light. Oh, now it's off. Now it's connecting.
I don't think I have any instructions for it.
All right, it took that. Ooh. Fancy.
Huh?
Look.
Oh.
That thing is pig rich. It's cold still, but
What did you say it was what?
pig rich. Because it's a the AFR, look at it, it's between 12.4 and 11.9. Alternator's working. Let's let her get up to temp. We'll wait till that thing's at 160. We'll go from there. Alright, so I just adjusted these. I kicked up that idle AFR, cruise AFR, and even the wide open.
Changed what you had set, because you had that at 12.5, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
But you can see now we're idling. See our AFR now, it's at 14.4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Somebody's happier.
Somebody what?
Is happier.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
So we're going to work on getting this idle down. Fun. Alright, so we've been working with it and got some crispy wire with some childish butt connectors. Nice clamps though. It's mounted nice. Alright, our next step's gonna be check for voltage. Alright, so we reprogrammed it and it's actually behaving. Now it says I can set the idle where I want it. And so far we got Happy Tim because it sounds a lot better. Alright. But driving it, just drive it because it'll learn itself. So, because we reset everything.
Okay. So should I go to the right and go up the highway a little bit, or should I?
Yeah, let's give it some speed. Come on, damn it.
It's even a little bit quieter. A lot quieter, actually.
Okay, that's driving pretty good.
Yeah. This feels not so sloppy anymore. Not as sloppy.
Science, man. Had to get all
I think
mad
I love
scientist.
you right now.
Somebody's got to. Automotive mad scientist. I'd like to check my air-fuel ratios. Why are you giving me no information? Stupid tablet that never stays connected. What a bitch. It says it's connected, but it's not. Oh, this thing.
See that low range noise? It's like,
yeah, it drones really bad.
I guess that's cool. I can handle that.
Oh, we can make this better. We'll put way quieter mufflers on it. But it seems to be cruising good.
Yeah, I mean, it's driving great.
Tim's happy. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Productive day. Oh, zoom the wrong way. Productive day. Edelbrock, your Tingadera sucks.
Alright, I'll go up to the next thing.
Yeah, I like how it stays connected for like 0.3 of a second.
I know, it's like... Yeah, and I don't know if I need to get the transmission adjusted. Sometimes it does that first.
It's not bad though. It's a performance car, so it's supposed to.
Well, the funny thing is, these were actually economy cars back in the day.
Not anymore.
Yeah. I mean, they made little nice muscle cars if you optioned them out, you know, properly.
Nice. Yeah, it's way better.
Yeah. The whole thing just feels so much different.
Yeah, there was definitely, well, so much smoother.
Yeah.